Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Google Maps and entering both origin and destination. This sets the route context. Once done, tap directions and make sure driving is selected so toll options appear. Next, tap the three dots or options in the top right to reveal route preferences. You need these settings to actively avoid tolls rather than guess. Doing this first prevents wasted navigation and ensures the app recalculates a legal, toll-free path immediately. You now toggle Avoid Tolls on Inside Route Options. This is the crucial middle step that forces Google Maps to filter routes. Once toggled, the app recalculates and displays alternates. Inspect these on the map and along the bottom bar. Make sure to preview turn-by-turn to confirm the new path suits time and distance needs, because toll avoidance can add minutes. If a single route remains, tap it to lock selection. Otherwise, pick the lowest impact alternate and press Start when ready. You press Start to begin navigation on the chosen toll-free route and stay attentive during the first several turns. If Google reroutes you onto a tolled road, pull over safely and reopen options to re-enable Avoid Tolls. Sometimes the app relaxes preferences to save time. If the option won't stick, make sure GPS and mobile data are active and offline maps are updated so recalculation works. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear cache or restart the app if the Avoid Tolls toggle fails to apply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.